Good day, my name is Leia Rivera. We are pleased to present our strategic situation assessment and action plan for Brilliant's Fresh Foods. As we conducted our analysis, we focused on how Brilliant can continue to grow sustainably while preserving the strong foundation that has been built over generations. We looked at Brilliant's financial position, the attractiveness of the boys market, and its competitive advantages within the grocery industry. Based on these findings, we identified key opportunities to strengthen profitability, improve efficiency, and create greater value for both customers and employees. Our ultimate goal is to provide recommendations that can help Brulims remain successful and continue to create opportunities for the next generation. With that, let's begin with our executive summary. To begin, our analysis shows that Brilliams operates in a highly competitive grocery industry. Large national chains have advantages in scale and supplier bargaining power, putting pressure on Brilliams' pricing and margins. Because of this, we recommend a differentiated growth strategy rather than competing mainly on price. First, Brilliams can strengthen its fresh food and local positioning through locally sourced products and ready-to-eat options. Second, it should improve operational efficiency, especially in pricing, inventory, and shrink management. Finally, Brilliams should leverage its people, customer data, and digital capabilities to improve loyalty and convenience. Overall, the goal is to increase customer value while improving profitability. To understand why this strategy makes sense, let's first look at Brilliams' current situation. Brilliams has several strengths, including being a third-generation, family-owned grocery retailer operating in Idaho and Wyoming. Its long history has helped build strong community relationships and customer trust. As an employee-owned company, Brilliams can also benefit from greater employee commitment. Its fresh food and service experience further help differentiate the company. However, the grocery industry is highly competitive, with customers having many alternatives, including national chains, regional stores, restaurants, warehouse clubs, and online grocery services. With low industry margins and strong customer buying power, Brilliams needs to build on its local strengths while becoming more efficient and convenient. Now, let's take a look at Brilliams' financial performance and growth opportunities.
And then on our financial analysis, we have this chart, which is a benchmark, not a claim about Prolim's actual confidential financials. Walmart reported 2025 figures produce an operating margin of about 4.35%. Sprouts 2025 reported figures of about 9%. Because Brolums does not publish comparable financial statement, we use the 2.80% only as a planning estimate. The strategic lesson is that Brolums needs productivity gains to generate the cash and margins needed for expansion. And then on market attractiveness analysis, Voice is strategically attractive because it offers much large customer base. Census data shows 238,429 residents in July 2025 versus 205,671 in 2010. However, size alone does not guarantee a profitable store. We recommend one pilot location and a formal decision gate based on sales per square foot, basket size, repeat visits, labor percentage, waste, and store level operating margin. And then on the competitive analysis SWOT, the SWOT shows that the problems should compete on differentiation rather than price alone. Its heritage, location, relationships, and services are valuable strengths. Its strengths are mostly related to scale and technology. Our plan addresses those weaknesses while preserving the strength. The goal is not to become another Walmart, it is to become a more convenient data enabled version.
Welcome to our strategic objective. On our strategic objective, um, our revenue increases by 15% within 3 years and achieve 10% of online sale within 2 years. Improvement. Improve profit margin from 2.8% to 4% within 3 years, and reduce our operational waste by 5% within 12 months. Right, the first on our action plan is Boise pilot, which is a test Boise, and the second is building an omni-channel customer experience, and the third is to improve optional efficiency, and the fourth uh, aid service that creates more reasons to visit Brilliams. We recommend decision gates so that management does not automatically continue spending if the pilot fails to meet agreed targets. Right. So on technology strategy, technology should support the business strategy rather becoming an expensive side project. Forecasting can improve availability and reduce waste. Digital ordering captures customers who prefer convenience, and also pickup can be introduced before broad delivery because it is operational simpler. And also loyalty analytics can improve promotional effectiveness. Finally, checkout should be piloted only where the savings are justified. The investments and customer service remain strong. Um,
Hi, my name is Clarice Melendez and I present the what if analysis. This analysis compares three planning cases. The status quo assumes a slow growth. Digital investment creates a stronger growth path. The combined voice and digital strategy has the highest potential because it expands the market while improving how Broadband serves customers. These percentages are illustrative assumptions, not promised results. Management should substitute actual intern sales, margin, investment, and customer data before approving the plan. 5-year implementation roadmap. The implementation is phased over 5 years. Year 1 builds the digital and inventory foundation. Year 2 adds pickup and targeted delivery. Year 3 tests voice. Year 4 scales services that prove successful. Year 5 is a second expansion decision. This sequence reduces risk because management learns before making the next large capital commitment.
My name is Joseph Aruna. Our conclusion is that Brolins should grow, but selectively. The company should protect the local service advantage while adding digital convenience. Technology should improve productivity and boys should be tested through one disciplined pilot rather than a risky multi-store rollout. This approach is better than either extreme, doing nothing or expanding too aggressively. It creates a stronger, more adaptable business that can continue producing opportunities for future generations. The references and AI documentation. These are the principal sources supporting our external analysis. The finally submitted deck should also include the team's previously submitted financial analysis, market attractiveness, and competitive advantage sources that the presentation directly build on the early assignments. We use different AI tools, ChatGPT, Microsoft Capital, and Google Glimit with prompting to correct our grammar and how we can arrange a professional PowerPoint presentation as explained below. Thank you.